Welcome to session 11 of the Word Powered Made Easy. We are going to continue with our discussion with session number 11. Now in session number 11, we are actually talking about the science and scientist. From session 11, we are talking about the terms which are used in science or the terms which we are using for the scientists. So, whither mankind means the field of all mankind. How we develop in mind and body from the primitive early forms is known as anthropologist. Anthropologist. Anthro means man and logos means science or study. So anthropology means a study of man. Study of man. What is above? In the field is the heavens and all that is in them, it's planet. So when you look at the sky, what do you find? You will find planet, galaxies, stars and other universe is known as astronomer. So astro means star and nomer means coming from the nomos. Nomos means arrangements, order or law. So arrangement of star is known as astronomer. What is life? The field of living organism is known as biologist. So bio means life and logos means study. So when you are studying the life, study of life, then you can say biologist. Flora. Now flora means plant, animal and insect. Plant will include flower, trees, shrubs, mosses, marine, seeds. So these are related to plant. Animal means birds, reptile and human belongs to animal, and insect means ant, fly. So all these things is known as flora. And plant related biology means when you are studying only plant, then it is known as botanist. Means when you study flower or tree or shrubs or mosses or marine or a seed, then you are known as botanist. And but when you study the animal like birds, reptiles and human, then you are known as zoologist. And when you are studying the small insect like fly, ant, then that is known as entomologist. Tower of Babel. Linguistic scientist explores. Linguistic means language. So something which is subtle, invisible and elusive. Use of the technique tool to distinguish human being from other forms of life. Misunderstanding. For example, if somebody will show you this upper thumb is upper thumb, then in certain culture means go ahead, but in certain culture means somebody is making a fun out of you. So both has the same symbol but meaning is differ because of the different thinking and culture of the people. Then this gap is known as semantic. So in communication theory, there is a communication gap that may occurs because of the semantic problem. Same word but then different meaning in different culture. Who are your friends and neighbors? A person who is studying your surroundings is your friends, your neighbor. So when you are here and if somebody is studying your neighbor, your surroundings and other people, so that person is known as a sociologist. Can you work this with words? Anthropologist. Anthro means man. Anthro means man. Ologist means somebody is studying the man. So development of human race. Astronomer. Aster means star and nomer means arrangement. So it's an arrangement of the star. So arrangement of the star, celestial phenomena. Geologist. Geo means earth. So something which is related to earth. So that is known as the earth. G. Bio means life, so something which is related to the life. So you can say bio means all forms of living matter. Botanist means somebody who is studying the plant life. Zoologist, somebody is studying the animal life, is a zoologist. Etymologist, somebody is studying the insect forms. Semanticist is known as meaning and psychological effect of the word. And socialist, somebody is studying the community and family life, is known as a socialist. Can you recall the words insect? So etymologist. Language, philologist. Now here philo means love and logist means language. Social condition, so sociologist. History of development of mankind, so anthro means man, anthropologist. Meaning of the words, semanticist. Planet, means astronaut. The earth, geologist. The heavenly bodies, astronomer. All living things, bio means living, logist. Animal, zoologist. So here we are ending session number 11 and we will see you in session number 12. Again I repeat, I am going to make a PDF of session number 11. You can find this session number 11 PDF in a description box. Download the PDF and practice it, and that is the way you can perfect your vocabulary. Thank you.